Hi, my name is Fred Parr, and I work at the City of Camarillo Water Reclamation Facility as lead Water Reclamation Maintenance Worker. I'm grateful to have been nominated by my supervisor, Kevin McCuskey, and my superintendent, Darren Carter, for this award. It is truly an honor to be selected as a CWA Mechanical Technician Person of the Year and become a part of such a prestigious group of professionals. I would like to share with you a little bit about why I chose the maintenance industry as a profession and show you a glimpse of what my career here at the City of Camarillo Water Reclamation Facility looks like. I have been working in the maintenance industry for about 17 years, 10 of which have been at the City of Camarillo. My interest in mechanics started at a very young age, as I was always curious to figure out how things worked. This usually ended with something being taken apart and no idea how to put it back together. As the years went by, I was lucky enough to be involved in my family's business, where I learned to not just put things together, but also develop the skills to design, machine, fabricate, and build custom industrial equipment. Those skills carried me to where I am today with the City of Camarillo. In my time here, I have been able to showcase and build on my skills with the help of my amazing crew as we tackle every changing technology, equipment, and regulation. The maintenance industry keeps me interested because of how different every day can be. One day, you could be completing PMs, and the next, you could be designing and making a new part or piece of equipment to improve the process or keep old equipment in good working condition. The forever changing technology that allows us to be more efficient, completing tasks faster while still being more precise than ever. For example, some of the new alignment tools, vibration monitoring equipment, welding machines, electrical diagnostic equipment, and even pump seal technology has made working as a mechanical technologist a challenging and rewarding profession. One of my favorite welding processes is called TIG. Typically, this process is used for high precision applications where a very precise, clean, and strong weld is required. One of the big benefits of TIG is that you can weld steel, stainless, aluminum, copper, etc. with one machine, making it a very versatile machine to have in our shop. As a machinist, part of my job is checking the runout and radial tolerances on a shaft we just finished machining in-house for a pump rebuild for the City of Camarillo. At the Water Reclamation Maintenance Department, our goal when machining parts is to keep our tolerance to plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch for a couple of reasons. For example, our maintenance department designed and implemented a seal upgrade throughout the facility to change out our outdated packing seals to a new generation of split mechanical seals that allow for less leakage and mess, leading to longer equipment life while maintaining ease of servicing. Being the machinist on site, it was up to me to set the tolerances we would use while making all of the shaft and seal chamber machining changes. I decided that keeping extremely tight tolerances would benefit not only the lifespan of the equipment, but also help keep our crew's skills sharp while always trying to have the best outcome possible. Here I am showcasing one of the newest tools is our infrared scanning tool that we use for occasional diagnostic, but mainly for scanning and documenting our annual MCC maintenance. This tool allows us to be able to stand at a safe distance from the electrical panels while still capturing data on hot and cold spots. This information is then used to determine any repairs that may need to be made before a problem occurs. Quarterly, we perform vibration analysis on all our blowers of our aeration basins. This is a newer tool and test for us that has proven to be very beneficial. As we do our vibration tests, things like premature bearing failure, coupling damage, and misalignment will show up in very fine vibration readings, much earlier than we can perceive them from sound or feel during our day-to-day checks. With this information, we can assess and plan the shutdown and repair of equipment during our timeline and before catastrophic failure, lowering the overall cost of maintenance throughout the equipment's lifespan. Sometimes we find that a piece of equipment just needs alignment. When I started in the maintenance industry, I learned to align equipment using dial indicators and a lot of time. Today, We have laser alignment tools that allow us to greatly speed up the process of alignment, from finding the soft foot to doing a cold alignment to the final hot alignment, all in one tool setup that has even tighter tolerances than I could have hoped for. This tool just increases equipment efficiency and lifespan while streamlining our work process. Thank you again for this amazing opportunity to be selected for the CWA Mechanical Technician Person of the Year. I am honored to be here.